In this example, we are looking at a reskinned pump house in the BNIM project and a feature wall on the way to the pump house. With this new 2019.1 feature, we will be able to apply a material to the top of the wall using Modify, Paint, and selecting our custom material, then tab selecting over the top surface of the wall and applying the paint. Once this surface pattern is applied to the top of the wall, we will be able to move or rotate the surface pattern. But first, we're going to check under Manage Materials that we are indeed using a model pattern type, as this type is required for this new functionality. You can see when tab selecting the top of the wall to a part of the surface pattern, it is possible to rotate or move the pattern in question. With Revit 2019.1, you have greater control over the look of a wall at every visible surface and enhanced wall control. You can now drag, rotate, and align a model pattern on a painted top surface of a wall, such that you may adjust the pattern tile location on all faces of a wall for a highly controlled alignment.